Umhlanga Lagoon Nature Reserve is a compact 26-hectare protected area located at the mouth of the Umhlanga River in Umhlanga Rocks, just north of Durban in KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. Established to preserve a slice of coastal wilderness amid urban development, it features a mix of dune forest, wetland, and beachfront, making it an ideal spot for short, family-friendly outings. The reserve is home to diverse flora and fauna, including rare trees like the coastal red milkwood and a 500-year-old white stinkwood, as well as wildlife such as blue and grey duikers, bushbucks, herons, fish eagles, and forest weavers. The main attraction is the Umhlanga Lagoon Trail, an easy 2-kilometer loop that's mostly flat and suitable for all ages, including kids and those with moderate mobility. Recent upgrades include a wheelchair-friendly raised boardwalk made from recycled plastic. The trail starts opposite the Breakers Hotel on Lagoon Drive, passing through a picnic area along a wooden boardwalk into shaded coastal forest with labelled trees over a pedestrian bridge spanning the lagoon and ending at an unspoiled beach with ocean views. It typically takes 30 to 90 minutes depending on pace and stops for photos or bird watching. Time to visit is early morning or late afternoon for cooler weather and better wildlife sightings. Avoid midday heat. Entry free or low cost. Check current fees and guided walks are often available at 9 a.m., 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. through local hotels like the Breakers. It lasting about 1.5 hours and providing expert insights. Facilities include picnic sites, but no restrooms on the trail, so plan accordingly. Have you been to Umhlanga Lagoon Nature Reserve? Please comment down below. Deeper into the forest, the air feels so fresh. It's like stepping into a green sanctuary. Many trees are labeled, which makes it educational for the kids. You can learn about the ecosystem here, from bushbucks hiding in the undergrowth to colorful forest weavers building nests. And here we are. The trail spits you out onto this pristine beach. The views are incredible, with the Indian Ocean stretching out forever. If you're into longer hikes, you can connect to the Umhlanga Promenade from here for more exploring. What a refreshing walk! Umhlanga Lagoon Nature Reserve is a must-do if you're in Durban. Free entry, easy trails, and tons of natural beauty. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down for more adventures, and comment below. What's your favorite nature spot? Thanks for joining us. See you on the next trail.